There are three main types of integrated circuit testing: chip verification, mass production testing, and aging testing. Chip verification is mainly used to verify whether a new design functions correctly before mass production, whether the parameter characteristics meet the specs, and the stability and reliability of the circuit. The test range includes functional testing and AC/DC testing, and the test items are relatively suitable. Its main purpose is to prepare for mass production testing in addition to debugging. The chip verification cycle is directly related to the quality and competitiveness of the product and the time to market. Mass production testing is located in the back of the process in the entire IC production system. Its main function is to detect defects that occur in the IC manufacturing process and the causes of defects. Therefore, mass production testing is an important step to ensure the good rate of IC products and provide effective data for engineering analysis. Mass production testing is charged by test time, and the price of test equipment will also affect the hourly test fee, which will directly affect the cost of the product. Therefore, it is very important to improve test coverage and test efficiency. Aging testing is mainly used to test reliability. Various acceleration factors are used to simulate the long-term failure model of the device, and commonly used ones are high temperature and high voltage.